Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest with me today. Do you want to say who you are?
I'm Betty.
And Betty is, how old are you?
5.
She's 5 years old and she's my little sister. But we are going to do My Little Sister Does My Makeup today because we thought it'd be really fun, didn't we? So that is what today's video is. If you enjoy, please click the like button, the comments down below, leave me a comment, and please do click subscribe, and we will get straight into it. Yeah? Let's go. Okay. What are we going to start with?
Okay.
What's first? What part of my face are we going to do first? Forehead. And what are we going to put on my forehead?
Some blue.
Some blue on my forehead. Okay, well we'll go straight into palette then.
Okay.
This one, okay. That one? Okay. Go on then. Dip it in and get started. Okay, ready? Are you doing this like a proper makeup tutorial, or we just go, okay, we'll just go crazy. Okay. Okay, what next?
I'm gonna do some pink.
Okay, where are we gonna put the pink? On my cheeks? You don't want to put like foundation or anything first, or do my eyebrows?
I'm like gonna do some princesses on your forehead and stuff.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're drawing princesses on me.
Disney tail on
Oh,
princesses.
okay. So who's on my forehead?
There's Belle.
So this is Belle. Okay. So who are you gonna do on my cheeks?
Rose. No, the pink
Oh, Sleeping Beauty.
yes.
Aurora. Wow, that feels great.
Need yellow for the hair and stuff.
Yellow. We've got some yellow in this palette.
Do you want like mix the colours up?
Yeah. No, mixing colours is so bad. So you definitely need a new brush.
Okay.
Does it look good? What next?
Some. I know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna tell you and stuff.
Ah! Does it look good? No.
I don't think this will be big enough to fit in your eye.
On my eye? You don't think it's big enough for my eye? Oh, okay. Taking some highlighter. And where does highlighter go? This is just like an excuse to hit her sister, I think. Are we just having it on one side? Are we using a different brush? And we're using a different brush and a different highlighter. Okay, cool. Oh, on the same cheek. Can I do your makeup after this?
No. Eyes?
Yay, we're doing the eyes. Which colour are we going with the eyes? Okay, here we go. Oh. How do I look, everyone? Don't know where you're going. Where are we going? I'll close my ears. And you say loud to them.
Guys, I'm gonna do some like rainbow stuff, so like it'll look like she's a rainbow princess with all the Disneys.
I didn't hear any of it, don't worry. Here we go. And where did you get your inspiration for today's look? So, yeah, that's fine. Oh wow. Ah. Oh my god. What next?
I'm gonna stick eyelashes on. It feels really weird holding eyelashes.
Okay, we need to open the cap. I'll put the glue on it, yeah. Okay. So what do you want to be when you're older?
I'm gonna be 6.
No, what do you want to be when you're a grown up? Oh my god.
Oh, please go.
Is that on? I think you're supposed to laugh at me. I think this is supposed to look good. Oh my god, my eyes are like stuck together. Do you know what you're doing now? Glitter. Do you know what? I actually thought she'd do like proper makeup. And here I am with glitter on my face. Nothing new there. So why do you want to be a policewoman?
Because like I want to help people.
So what's your favourite food now?
Chinese.
Still Chinese. And what's your favourite Chinese food?
Chinese noodles.
Chinese noodles. You're such a grown-up. She used to say sausage as her favourite Chinese food. So do you remember when you used to say your favourite Chinese food was sausage, which is not Chinese at all? You know what they have in, I don't think it's China, but do you know what they have in like Asia for sausage? They have like blood sausage.
Ew.
Have you ever heard of black pudding?
Yeah.
That's blood. I think I've got eyelash glue in my eyes. Oh, this one feels really high up.
It really is. This looks like a diamond.
It's nice, isn't it? They're like mermaid brushes.
Guys, if you like these brushes, comment down below.
What about things like contour? You're going to contour my face. Do you know what contour is?
I have no idea what.
Wow. Is that not covering the princess?
It is.
Just being crazy. Let's go.
Nice.
Yeah? And what's this? What are you doing now? Oh god, that was almost my eye. Therapeutic. Yes. Green! Okay, this is for the grass, yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favourite subject in school?
Oh.
What's your favourite thing that you do in school, other than like break time?
Having the Gruffalo, this guy,
Okay, what's the worst thing about school?
that we have to run 50 miles.
50 miles! You have to run 50 miles! That's so mean!
8 laps around the whole yard.
8 laps for a 5-year-old. Do you do
We
it?
have to do the run.
And what happens if you don't do it?
No, we get in trouble. We're not allowed to stop, but only allowed to walk.
Have you thought maybe you're finished? You've run out of face.
No, there's still peach things.
Is there still peach parts?
If you can't see any peach bits, that's alright. Just comment down below. If you can't see some peach bits, just comment down below. But being a clown.
I thought we were doing serious makeup and now I'm being a clown. What type of videos do you film at home?
I film like videos of me doing lots of fun stuff and amazing stuff. Yeah, and if you want to watch my videos, just comment down below.
Yeah, just comment down below. Not that she'll upload them, but comment down below anyway. How much longer do you think you're going to be? Who do you watch on YouTube?
That's the end.
Desi M.
If you heard of him, comment down below.
What videos does that person do?
You got a name now. Don TDM! He plays
Ow.
Minecraft.
Ow! I'll do it to you.
Okay, someone else.
Oh, done yet?
No! Oh, my cushion!
Cushion's been stolen. All
Cushion!
derailing. There we go. Let's do one final thing. What about mascara? Should we do some mascara on my lashes? Where does mascara go?
My lashes!
Oh my god. Little ones here. Try to do that.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a bad idea. Oh gosh. Are we now finished? Okay, let's do the outro. Oh, hi. Hi. You got to be quiet. Do you want me to look at myself? Because I've not seen myself yet. Okay, so this is Betty's final look. I hope you all enjoyed. I have no idea what I look like, but I feel like I'm really pink. Am I really pink?
Yeah.
I feel pink.
If you like this video, comment down below.
Okay, am I ready to look?
Yeah.
Oh wow. The lips are good. Right, let's say goodbye to the camera then. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you thought.
If you want to do another clip, just touch here.
Here. I don't know what's going to be here, but touch it.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, and we will see you very soon with a new video. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.